So in this video we are going to organize our code. We have written the cancel safe keys in separate two files. One is the header file where you declare the signatures, and second one is the cpp file where you actually implement the code. So we have the dispatch routines. So you can see there is a lot of code going on here, and what we are going to do is we are going to create a new files, call them dispatch routines header file and cpp file. Dispatch routines include ntddk. So this pragma ones make sure that in all the compiled code only single occurrence of these include statements have been defined. So you can just copy all of this, copy and paste here, and create another one that is ioctls.h, only the header file. So here we are going to cut all these ioctl definitions and paste in this ioctls.h, and inside this dispatch routines.cpp include ioctls.h, and so the device extension is undefined. So we can include the csq.h, so these are undeclared, hash include dispatch routines.h, so we can remove these dispatch routines here. So we have only the driver entry. We need to declare those dispatch routines here. So the syntax is same for the other dispatch routines. They will receive device object and IRP. So you can just copy this, read handler, write handler, and device control handler. So you can see we have successfully organized our code. You can even remove the driver unload and keep it separate as well. You can even remove these three items that are related to work items and create new files like work items. You can place them there as well. So let's do that. An item and work item and So it will be very easy to locate which code. Previously we have written everything in the source.cpp, and we have to search, we have to go through all these branches. So in the work item.h, again include the ntddk, and here include the work item.h. Now here we are going to copy, paste, device extension, we are going to csq.h, and we need to declare these signatures here. Okay, we need to remove this cancel routine work item 2, cancel routine work item 2. My bad, it's okay, we are good to go. Sorry, my bad. Previously I replaced the csq with work item. So here you can see we have csq handlers and normal dispatch routines, the IRP dispatch routines, and we have the work items code here, and we have the definitions of this IOCTL headers. So this is a somewhat better way of organizing. You can just declare the IOCTL here, any new IOCTL, and you can add any dispatch routine here, and you can add any of this another work item routine here. So that's all about this video on the organizing code.